She soaked her feet in mouthwash, and when you watch why, you will immediately do the same. We should take good care of your feet because we all know that we can't do anything without them. And you don't have to buy expensive cosmetic, beauty or health products to do that. You can do that with simple and cheap ingredients which you probably already have in your home. In this video we are going to show you how to treat bunions, fungal infections, blisters, corns, athlete's foot, gout in all natural way. As we said, you probably already have these ingredients in your home, and now we are going to show you how to use them to treat these problems. First, you should know that you can get rid of fungal infection if you soak your feet in mouthwash every day for 30 minutes. It's because the mouthwash contains some ingredients which are very useful and beneficial in treating fungal infections. Alcohol. If you have problems with fungal infections, then you should definitely try this trick. You will be amazed by the results. 2. Or you can soak your hands in mouthwash to treat and cure fungal infections on your hands. This trick is also very useful and extremely effective. 3. But if you experience any problems with athlete's foot, then you should definitely try this garlic method. Here's what you need to do: just put a little bit of garlic between your toes and leave it on for 1 day. 4. Did you know that you can use onion to treat and remove foot corns? Well, yes, onion is very useful in treating foot corns. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to cut a thick slice of onion and soak it in apple cider vinegar and then apply it on the lower part of your foot. Then you need to put on a sock. Make sure you use this onion method until you notice that the corns are soft and you can remove them easily. 5. You can use chili sauce to treat and cure bunions. Here's what you need to do: just apply chili sauce and Vaseline on the bunion, and then you need to cover the area with a gauze. This method is extremely effective and useful in treating bunions because chili peppers contain high amounts of capsaicin, which calms the nerves that cause the pain, and it also decreases the swelling. 6. Or you can reduce the pain caused by bunions just by using salt. It's because salt contains magnesium sulfate, which lowers the inflammation and the pain. 7. Did you know that you can use antiperspirant against blisters? First, you should know that this method can be a little bit painful, especially if the blister is popped, but it's extremely effective. The antiperspirant spray will dry the area around the blister and it will speed up the healing process. 8. What's the best way to cure gout? Well, that's easy. You need to stop consuming sugar. A recent study has found that sugar consumption is linked to gout and gout appearance. You should consume more cherries and strawberries as a cure against inflammation. If you have any of the problems mentioned above, then you should definitely try these homemade remedies and tricks. You will be amazed by the results. We really hope you enjoyed this video and you find it helpful. And yes, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.